Are you using any AI tool as an educator in this century to help you work and make it so easy? In this video, I'll be introducing to you one of the best AI tool, that's the ChatGPT tool that you can use to make your work easier as an educator when it comes to generating exam results. So this video, I introduce to you ChatGPT for education. Yes, if there's one area that teachers find it difficult to do something when it comes to their workload is certain questions. But this tool is going to help you to do just that. And that's what this video is all about. Now, there are steps you're going to take. 3 major steps, and we're going to do it practically. Number 1 is to install the app and sign up. Then after you've done that, the second step is to put up your queries. What do you want the app to do for you? That's the generate questions for me. I'm going to teach you how it's done. Then copy your generated results and start using it. We're going to go to the practical part of this video, so you're going to see step-by-step guide on how we do all of these things. Meanwhile, for the time being, remember this is a video from Chima, the Educator video channel. We encourage you subscribe to our channel, and if you're watching this on Facebook right away, please follow us on this page, because you're going to see tutorial videos like this often and on. So make sure you subscribe to our page, and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to quite a number of other people. And not only that, help us to share it so it can go viral. I wish you the best. Let's now go to the practical part of this video. Thank you. You visit your store, your Play Store. If you are using an Apple phone, you visit your Apple Store, and let's search for ChatGPT and install it. Now, I'm going to click on my Play Store. Okay, I click on it. On this search area, I type ChatGPT. Okay, sorry. You can see already here. It's like a recent search. Now, let me show you what it's going to see. Okay, you are seeing this. Now, I have ChatGPT here, open AI. It says update. The reason why the system is saying update, because I already have downloaded and installed in my phone. So, there's a recent update. I need to upgrade and update it so I can get everything the system has put up recently. Now, but if you have never downloaded and installed it before, you're going to simply see install. That's what you're going to see here. In whichever case you do that, I want to update it because I want to have the latest version. So I click on update. I might decide not to update it if I think that what I have now is giving me what I need. So I will update this. After updating it, it will be installed. All I need to do is what? I register with it. Whatever, register with it. You have an account with ChatGPT. Very, very good to have an account with it. You can operate it as a free user, but if there's need for restriction, there's system required for that, register and have personal account with ChatGPT. Very, very important. Once you've done that, now let's explore the second step of this video. Very, very important. Don't go out. Let's continue right now. Now, the second step is this. You have already either updated or installed ChatGPT on your mobile and possibly signed up or not. Now, the next step, like we have said in the video, is to make a query. And that query is because we are using this to generate questions, exam questions. Simply write, you are telling the system now, the AI, generates 25 mathematics objective questions with 4 answer options each. You see what I'm giving the system. I'm telling the system exactly. Remember this computer. Exactly what you need is what you're going to write here. Generate 25 mathematics objective questions with 4 answer options each. Now, I want to say something before I continue to do this. Remember, as a teacher, if you're, let's say, whatever subject you're teaching, the best way to do this is to ask ChatGPT to generate answer questions on topics, based on topics. Remember, I'm asking the system to generate objective questions. That's it. I can simply ask it to generate theory questions. It will do that. Now, but these are, I'm asking for objective questions, and I just use a generic name, mathematics question. I didn't even say JS2, but in your own place, let it be clear. Maybe on generate 5 questions on indices, generate 5 questions on logarithm, just that way, put it that way, so that the system will go through and give it, because it's going to be about what you have taught the children. But another way is that when you ask for all these questions, the system generates it. It may even ask for 100 or 50, and after generating it, you select the one that are related to what you want to set for the children. So let me, after I've done this now, let me click on this up arrow. Just watch. Just watch what we're going to have here. Sure, here are 25 mathematics objective questions with 4 answer options each. Look at it, very, very simple. You see what technology is doing? You see what AI is doing? Oh, my having headache. How do you sit down? You're thinking on how to generate questions. Any subject, any topic. Now, the first question says, what is the result of, in bracket, 2 plus 3 times over times 4? That's something like that. You can see it. Solve the equation, this and that. You can see questions. Quality questions. So you select all of these things. You know the ones you need. You go about it. Like I said, use topical search queries. You know, are you getting it? I want you to generate questions on so topic for me, 5, 10, and all that. That's the best. So you need to narrow things and not see your whole time and all that. So the next thing we're going to do now is to go to the third step. And that third step is all about now copying your work and start using them. That is the third step. Stay tuned right now. Now, the third and final step. You have generated these questions now for you to copy them out. Now, let me show you a few other functions before you copy out. You can see here the system is writing ChatGPT 3.5. It shouldn't be the name of this, but remember, it doesn't matter to you whatever name they give you, because you're going to copy them out. Now you can go here and rename it. You can delete this. You can view the text, but it's not necessary. You can now share. If you want to share this directly to any place, which I don't suggest that. If you are doing this, you want to generate questions as a teacher, you don't need to share directly from here. Are you getting it? So you don't need to do that at all. You need to take time to get it copied and now make some arrangements. There are ones you need to delete. You delete. There are ones you're going to leave. Just like, because I'm not sure anything you see, you must use all of them. Let AI not replace you entirely. Now, having done that, the next thing you do, just copy this. It's very simple. Now, I place my hand here. I seen it. You are seeing select text, copy, generate response, continue generating and all that. That's my interest. I click on copy. Now, actually, having clicked on copy, I've copied everything. If I say select text, I will just select. But you know, stuff like this, when you're using mobile, you may select before it goes off. So I had to copy all of them. When I drop where I want to paste it, I can remove what I want to remove. So I've copied it. Assuming I want to go and drop it somewhere, let me use my WhatsApp, personalized WhatsApp group. Now, I click here to paste. This is my WhatsApp now. I seen it. Let me show you. I've pasted it. So these are the questions. You see it. Look at it. From here, you are seeing it. What is the result of this and that? So these are the questions. I can now decide to edit, remove, add, whatever, and have general questions. And you can do this now. I wouldn't want you to just go there and say type 1,000 questions. You can just start with 50. Generate 50 so question for me. The system generates. Don't be lazy, please. Some people want to do things at the same time because of laziness on their own. Even when AI is doing work for them, they still want to be lazy on top of it. Generate 20 for me, you copy, you drop. Generate another 20, you copy, you drop. And you're getting it. So little by little, just do it that way. Don't go beyond 50 at a time. Please, drop 50, drop 50. And if you want to do the same thing with theory questions, it's still working that way. Anything. That's the wonder of AI and technology at a time like this. That's why we encourage teachers to explore stuff like this and be part of what we do. Once again, before I leave now and stop at this video, I want to tell you we have a teachers group, teacher teach tech group, where we train teachers. Some of the trainings there are free stuff, while some of them are paid. At one time or the other, you're going to pay to learn special skills. Please, I want to encourage you to join that. You're going to see the link to join that group, that channel on WhatsApp, either here on this video description, or you can make requests for this. Okay, you talked about this, I want to join. I will ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. I will give you the link to be part of that particular channel. Very, very important. Once again, I encourage you, please, if you are new to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Please do that right away. Subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video. When you like it, you too will make sure that others see it. You don't stop there. Share this video. Two things you do: you help your friends out there to know about this. You also help us to grow. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.